Vozili smo drugo generacijo globalno najbolje prodajanega Audija, SUV-ja Q5. Na prvi pogled deluje nespremenjen, kar je na nekolikšno presenečenje, saj so Nemci napovedali, da bo s prihodom modela Q2 vse drugače. Toda
The Q5 is using the Q elements which you've already seen in the Q7 and which are brought to the Q5 as well. The Q2 as well uses those Q elements in the exterior design, but it also plays a bit with them, has kind of new expression of the Q elements. So this is another segment, so not all segments use the exact same kinds of style elements.
A kot vemo, pri znamki iz Ingolstadta imajo inženirji pomembnejšo vlogo kot dizajner. Tehničnega prvaka z zračnim vzmetenjem in quattro pogonom zadnje generacije so torej v Ingolstadtu še dopolnili. Pri tem so off-road kompetence smatrali za dovolj učinkovite. So pa štirikolesni pogon nadgradili z dvema sklopkama, ki zagotovita nižjo porabo.
We do have a friction clutch at the end of the transmission and we have a rear axle with a dog clutch. The friction clutch can distribute the torque to the rear axle, and the dog clutch is important to, if you are in two-wheel drive, to open the drive line at 2 points. Only if you open the drive line in 2 points, the rear axle comes to a standstill, and this is how the fuel efficiency benefit is reached. If you only open the all-wheel drive system at one point, like most of the other systems do, then the rear axle is still driven by the road and by the wheels, and therefore there is no fuel efficiency improvement.
S klopkama varčnost omogoča tudi elektronski sistem predvidevanja dogajanja na cesti.
The idea is to have a good forecast, to have good prediction of the all-wheel drive demand, and and therefore we have a calculation system running all the time in the background. So the calculation system compares two things. On one hand, how much torque would we like to transfer to the street. To do that, we have the sensors in the steering wheel, we have sensors in the accelerator pedal. Additionally, we have the RPMs of each wheel, and we have the complete torque mapping of the engine, and we have the shift schedule of the transmission. If you have this information, you can calculate what do I want to transfer to the street. On the other hand, we need to know how much can I transfer to the street. To have this, it is important to find out what road conditions you have. We have a model which checks this all the time, and if you have both the demand and the ability, then you can compare that all the time, and if you then find out that the torque demand will be more than the capability of the friction, then we engage a four-wheel drive in advance, so that we are always in all-wheel drive when all-wheel drive is necessary.